Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
In today's video, we have the top 5 jigsaws of 2022 in the UK. If you're interested in any of the products coming in today's video, links are in the description below. Let's get started. In no particular order, coming up at number 5, we have the JCB 18 volts jigsaw. The top 3 features include the following. It weighs 1.5 kilograms, which makes it easy to hold. It has a built-in LED for improved visibility and 4 pendulum settings. Coming up at number 4, we have the Hikoki CJ160VJ2Z 110 volts cut jigsaw. The top 3 features include the following. A max cutting capacity for wood of 160mm, a power output of 800 watts, and a auto speed mode for reduced vibration. Coming up at number 3, we have the Makita 4350 CT1 orbital action jigsaw. The top 3 features include the following. A power output of 720 watts, a max cutting capacity for steel of 10mm, and a variable electronic speed control. Coming up at number 2, we have the Bosch DIY PST 700E compact jigsaw. The top 3 features include the following. A no load stroke rate of 0 to 3100 RPM. It is good value for money and has a dust extraction port for dust free working. And our last product, for number 1, we have the DeWalt DCS 331N XJ 18 volts premium jigsaw. The top 3 features include the following. A no load stroke rate of 0 to 3000 RPM, a max cutting capacity for steel of 10mm, and an intelligent variable speed trigger and amp lock-off switch. As you can see on this table, I have made a comparison of each jigsaw to give you an idea on which jigsaw you might prefer. For the no load stroke, you're going to be looking at the Bosch jigsaw with an RPM of 0 to 3100. The lightest jigsaw is the JCB, weighing 1.5 kilograms. They all have the same bevel capacity at 0 to 45 degrees. The jigsaw that would be best for cutting wood would be the Hikoki jigsaw with a cutting capacity of 160mm. There are 3 jigsaws that have the best cutting capacity for steel, which are DeWalt, Makita and the Hikoki jigsaw. And finally, for the power output, you're going to be looking at the Hikoki jigsaw with a power output of 800 watts. I hope this video has given you an idea on what jigsaw you want to buy. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.